Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to test this switch. This is an electric switch. In this case, we are going to use this digital multimeter to know if this switch is working correctly or not. This is very easy. It's normal to use this switch in different machine, electric items, and other things. If, for example, a machine is not working correctly, the first step is test this switch using a digital multimeter like this. Because if this switch is not working correctly, the machine won't working correctly. This means the first step is test this switch. The first step is turn on the digital multimeter. Ready? Now choose diode test. Move the selector and choose this mode. In this case, we are going to use this mode like continuity mode. For now, if the current is moving from one point to other point. In this case, this is very easy. Take the test probe and touch one point of the switch. Now touch the other point. In this way. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Now press the switch. Now is off. This switch is off. Now this switch is on. This means this switch is working correctly, because now the energy is moving from one point to one point. Drop this switch. Now the energy stopped in the switch. This means now the energy don't move through the switch. In this case, this switch is working correctly because the energy is moving when I press one position and stop when I press the other position. And if one switch works in this way, this means the switch is working correctly in this case. In this way, you can test any switch like this. Now turn off the digital multimeter, and thank you for watching. This is all for today. Subscribe in our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. Give me a like, share this video, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.